It was raining and the dark covered everywhere. The silent nature was watching over them. But they why were so sad and silent? Maybe they were two separated lovers. Here is a little blonde girl. With her curly hair covered her shoulders. With sorrowful eyes she were looking around. She was searching for her lost love. The boy had so bright lovely eyes. His eyes were searching for his lost love. He was so sad standing there like a poor, waiting for the return of his sad love. The rain got worse and the wind begun to shout. The clouds above strongly slept each other. But two lovers were standing still there, looking to each other innocent and endless.